I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best.
Oh, that's for my car. I need something for my car.
You give
of
support
course,
me,
of course.
You build houses and all of these things.
Right.
You think I don't watch you, bro?
Alright, so
you think I don't watch you?
I have to support you.
You think I don't watch you?
Yeah, thank you so much, man.
Never give up.
You sure keep the change? I don't want.
Keep the change, man. Keep the change. Keep the change, man.
Yo, this is a dream come true for real. If I had at least I watch it on YouTube.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna on YouTube.
So
you don't know.
It's all about positivity. Don't give up.
Don't give up. Keep trying no matter what. You go there, you go anywhere. You do it. You be you. You be yourself.
When they come back, you make the whole Africa be about
That is it.
True.
whole Africa.
Ah, Marina. Ah, General.
You never know some African people love Jamaica.
Right, of course.
Just like how we love them.
Yeah.
We share around back the love, you see. That one messing up.
That is it.
Out of Africa, all how we coming up.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Hey guys, so we're downtown, downtown Kingston.
My favorite area.
Yeah, so it's the favorite area, but I don't remember the name of this street, General, what's the name of this street? Pichon Street. Sorry, Pichon Street. Yeah. Sometimes it's true if you get the names. My chip on that.
Oh yeah.
Pichon Street. So Pichon Street is all the way where we're coming from. Coming across.
All the way straight.
Yeah. Where you get the buses and everything.
Yeah.
Up there you can get the buses them and everything. So this is Pichon Street. So guys, if you're watching, I haven't been to Jamaica in the longest while, and you're wondering what street we're walking on, it's called Pichon Street.
Pigeon or pigeon?
Pichon.
Okay.
So these are some second-hand things what they
sell.
Yeah, looks like, yeah. Come look, you see you got a lot of them over there. They take them and refurbish them and sell them.
Yep.
So this is the train station I was telling you about.
Oh.
This is the trains there.
Wow, guys. And they're not operating.
No. Oh, you can't go in. D, can't go in.
Sorry.
We're a vlogger, so who's gonna vlog?
You have to pay to go in?
Yeah, and that
What is the entrance?
The entrance is around there, but they don't open today.
Oh, they're open today?
When
When it's open?
Monday.
Monday. Alright.
Alright then.
Guys, I'll come and check out the train station.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Monday to Friday.
How much
What
they
is the
charge?
entrance fee?
I don't know the fee, but at the office, you have to go talk to people.
Okay. Office at the front, right? Okay then.
So guys, I'll bring you back. Is there any that is operating, that is working?
Huh?
Is there any that is working, the train?
Yeah, man. The train.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we will board that train.
From Spanish Town now to Kingston.
Oh, them ones from Spanish Town.
Okay. But for
Yeah.
schoolers most.
Oh, for schoolers. See them there? Wow. Heineken.
You have like excursion.
Yeah?
A group of people come together and you see and from here you carry to all of our links.
Okay.
Then again, when you come to the office, then you tell them.
Okay, where's the office? Right there?
Yeah. A board door is down there.
Okay. It's a Mondays.
Mondays, we prefer.
Alright.
Can't wait to take you along.
Guys,
And some of people like, do we have trains in Jamaica?
Of course.
No, no, the team. I'll show you.
So do you want to take train for how long now?
To Spanish Town. To go
Hey.
to, you know?
Pichon Street.
Right.
Come.
Downtown Kingston.
Downtown. So
guys, welcome to downtown Kingston. Wagwan. Hey, team, you good? Good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hey, I need to put my clocks on tomorrow.
Oh, you still got your clocks?
Yeah, of course.
Wait, what's
That's my clock.
Oh,
Yeah.
you want to walk in the sun?
No, let's walk here.
Bro.
Alright. The people know the tune going there.
Yeah. Welcome to Jam Rock. Welcome back to Jam Rock. So this is where you get your pots make, your saving pans, everything you get them make right here. From the scratch pot and everything. Big up, Father.
How much for this?
2007.
2007?
Yeah.
2000?
2700.
Oh, 2700.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So in downtown is much better.
Yeah, you get them cheaper down here.
The big one, Kino, we need to get one for fish for the them say it will be. Okay.
The stove, yeah, the stove as well.
We come for them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we will make a day to come and buy them.
Yeah.
From right here. So because we see they have olive.
Yeah.
Alright, they will be back. Thank you.
Papa, we'll be back, yeah?
We'll be back to shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, because I need to buy them for the cooking gloves. You know, the thing. Honestly, down here it's cheap, you know.
That's the reason why I call it downtown.
700. You got, hey, the one that I bought in Mobe, Jesus Christ, it was 8,008. Huh?
That's the reason why it's called downtown.
When I first came to Jamaica, we came to eat here. I can't see him.
Come.
Julian! Yo, I'm on.
I just said let me say hello.
Yeah, partner. You're a big friend, huh? Yeah, man.
Oh, sorry. You good? Nice to see you too. I went back home and I'm back.
Yo, Ella, where is Ella?
Special. Have food?
You have Jew plum?
What are you? Yesterday.
How much for it?
You see? I know all these places. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll come back anytime.
Yeah.
That is it.
Alright.
Alright. Later. Bye.
Yeah. In the bag?
I'll drink it later in the house. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Downtown.
Colonial is downtown. Put the bag in the downtown Nairobi. You don't know the thing. No, you know.
Yeah.
Come here, you don't know the thing. You soon know. Wicked. So I don't want to know because you know the thing.
Juice, man, juice. Uno. Hustle over here. See it there? General.
Big up in my general. So, yeah, man, where I go, I'm a boss. You know, still they're going to turn around with some phone case here, where some clothes and some fitted clothes. And some ladies' clothes and some designer wear, some cheap wear. You know. I don't want to tell man, I told you fresh man.
Tuggy
As
fresh.
we tell you, I say, member go look good, and we say bird them a fly, and we build the time clothes.
Yeah.
And we say drug, and we say traffic. Them can't stop it, man.
Can't stop it.
Remember, go down a town, Pitchum Street, and just start do it. You know?
Right at the corner.
Right at the corner of the
See
four,
there?
you say you can't miss, man.
Can't miss it, see
You
there?
can't miss, you have all this type of thing down here.
Phone
I mean,
case,
you see me as a skanker, I'm the only skanker right now on the streets of us.
Yeah.
Now some work, I'm not take around, I'm not take camera around.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
call the shots and we do the thing and we run the show. Yeah.
That is it.
You know the thing, but you can't follow me on the page them. Tuggy Fresh, T-H-U-G-Y 1G1Y.
What's that, Instagram?
Same thing, Tuggy Fresh, T-H-U-G-Y_fresh. You find me on any space, any social media, man.
Anyway,
That is it, man. Big up yourself, you know. Put out the work, you know, Kino, down a town, always in the street,
Always.
the people, the views and the looks are down a town.
Always.
Jamaica know the world wants to see downtown.
Of course.
Yeah, downtown with them, man. Yo, circle the
See
camera
there,
on the place.
see there, see there.
And down a town.
See there? Down a town with it. Down a town with it.
No joke, man.
No joke, no
Yeah,
joke.
down a town, hot dog. Yeah, man, get a free teacher, can watch a player now.
Yeah.
See, Vice Cartel, we don't know when do we can't tell when the people say them find this, people say them find that. But watch a style there. He's a good artist.
Yes.
He's a good DJ. Them not find nobody. Them not find nothing. So here we go on. Him do a good year. Him do like more 12, 13 years.
Good while.
Good amount of year. I hear like that. I'm free. You see people do things and them walk free. So
Yeah, yeah.
he do a 13 year. A good amount of year for the artist.
Of course, of course.
Because we say music overall, every artist and Vice Cartel, people them love him. The street need him, people
Yeah,
are passing, them want about a style, them want about a style, you know?
They want.
Yeah.
Alright, General, big up, man. Tuggy Fresh.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Well, Tuggy Fresh.
Where
That's
you
it.
hiding?
Tuggy Fresh, and we are downtown, guys, as you can see. We are downtown, downstairs active. Yeah, downstairs active. This is one of the bus 31. Big yellow bus, the Jamaican bus. AC Fresh, crispy donuts. Yeah, man. Kino Life in Jamaica, my one name.
Hey, what your name?
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Man, let me give you one more cartel, man.
See them,
Kino
man.
Life, man. I want to man.
Make them know, man, what
Yeah,
about
man.
cartel,
Yo,
man.
Kino Life, big up yourself. You hear that? I want Shete Boss, one done a town.
Yeah.
You hear that? Right now, you're there on the Gaza. You see right there in a town, right there in the Gaza, you have the gully over there, so.
Okay.
But you see the one other lane,
Yeah.
And the Gaza.
And the Gaza lane.
Your son named Gaza. You see that big box there, you see there, so.
Yeah.
A cartel alone play another box there, my son.
Nothing
and
else.
Mr. Gaza, me a
Yes.
real Gaza man.
Yes.
I'm going to shut up something about the Gaza, I mean, I like my box out here 32. Barely me, I tell you that. I tell you, man,
One Gaza,
free
straight.
well boss, yeah, man,
Of
barely
course,
free well
of
boss.
course.
You say, you boy cargo,
Yeah.
a message up for you, more send it there. You see, you boy cargo, you chat too much, you see, you look out, it I get in a problem. Remember me tell you, so we are body care for a lizard, and nobody know the lizard. Them same gun, Panama, I want to
Yeah.
so we can't, we not go see you. I hear say there one small island, but you know where you are go. You chat too much. Come on from an artist name. Here boy cargo. Boy, you look call up cartel name. You boy like you know what some artist are road.
Yeah.
The man no more than 11 to 12 years, 13 years. Let go the artist. Stop all on the artist. Lizard mother come out and say she no have nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
You boy cargo. Lizard mother this. You see you. You see your mouth. Me hear chronic. Chronics, I say name sing, I say and say jet boy, your motor I get in a problem. Remember me telling that.
Sure.
Free well back.
Big up yourself, my general. More love. Thank you, Fresh. Big up. Yes. Yes, sir. Kino Life in Jamaica, man.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Straight. That is it. We're downtown. Two days here there. 2 days here there. My find a belt already. How much you belt them?
Just give me a money and take one of my
Yeah. Hey. You gonna buy out the whole of downtown? Eh? My hand is heavy already.
Your hand is heavy. It doesn't look so good, but it's so long.
Yeah. Oh. Hey, man. Milo. All right, D, come D.
One day. So pretty.
Are you there, so? Oh. Okay.
What do you think? I come back next Saturday?
Yeah.
But this one will be gone.
That's why.
We'll be back next Saturday.
Yeah.
Buy more.
1,518. Gold jeans and girl jeans are $1,500. Yes, so come look on the sale and the bargain and the deal. Yeah. Man pants are $1,500. Later, what a steal, what a bargain.
Yeah, fancy 100, 150. No more two big. Brazil 3, 4, 5. Then two lie, man.
Come see what here. No, hello. Trinidad, yeah. Yeah, Trinidad. Remember she? Remember. Put a face from again. One at a town. One at a town. Why they gonna buy the whole of downtown?
You brain food there and pushing a brain then
Good, go for man, respect.
okay, we're not 5 bills.
No, I'm not. Let's go. Big up, man. I don't want this, man. See there? Oh, we there. Yeah?
So, I'm watching the thing and I'm subscribed to the thing.
Yeah, man. General. No, you see me I say? No respect. I share positivity with you.
Always, man. That, man.
Yeah, man. I love, man. All right.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, man. That is
t-shirt,
I'm low, man.
over here, Mr. Toza, get woman shirt, and over here, some of the Toza man pants, Toza woman pants. Toza woman pants, Toza man pants, Toza t-shirt, Toza woman shirt. Toza woman pants, Toza man pants, Toza t-shirt, Toza woman shirt. Come over here, some of the Toza man pants, Toza woman pants, Toza t-shirt.
There's some new blows there. 3, 4, and 5 year blows. 3, 4, and 5 year blows.
Big up, man. Hold on, man. Yeah, man. Every time, man. Yes, man. I know it, man. We have to do the right thing, man. The right thing. Back. Yeah, my general, big up every time, yeah? Jamaica.
Oh,
place is noisy. Look, everyone have a mic.
Come check out them
1500 look where we are. 1500 man pants, 1500 man pants, 1500 boyfriend jeans. We want to be the big side boyfriend jeans, 1500.
Yeah, the married and them are 5 million. Yeah, the poor and them are 500. All the guys them are 5 million. Here are 5
Oh, the shark man.
Yeah, in fact.
Oh. And the man always said, D. Where's the watch here, brother? I forgot it. The man always is somewhere out here.
Somewhere.
Wow.
Quick and fast.
Should feel that. Right away. Yeah.
I also want, but I will cry.
Yeah, your eyes it? Oh, one go. See, I run water a while ago. Yeah. What eye look like with the eye face, so you know. Really boring day. Try. She running.
Come here, I got enough.
Like the whole day, you know. Does it hurt?
No, the loving cream.
Just because the connection is
Go on, D.
So good.
You're not gonna try.
I will cry the whole day.
Naturally, we can't tell you here in our chair.
No, YouTube. YouTube. Big up. Oh, there, hold on there. All is well. Everywhere, I have a tree here. And they're all both. Alright, cool, no? Yeah. Yeah, buy a whole heap more.
I bought here from him. I'll be out, okay?
I go buy off the old downtown.
$1,000 NPC. We have clit, neighbor, nose and ears ring. Clit, neighbor, nose and ears ring. $1,000 NPC. So come and catch the sale. And remember, you don't have to pay for feeling the pain. It's right over here, so $1,000 NPC.
It's not down here. I'm probably there somewhere else. Oh, we have a pass through, man. See me, D.
Oh, that's it.
And you will walk out of
What's up there? See your bubble. See back right now. When you back.
That's it yesterday.
Oh God. Keen in a real life.
Cool, man.
Taking we up where did that?
Trinidad.
I fuck up Trinidad. Yeah man, I tell you man.
Cool,
Keen
man.
alive.
Yeah.
Man, that's how we do it man.
That's
Real
it.
maroon man. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Watch you.
We are
Yeah,
back.
you treat your mommy up so.
Yeah.
Lord God, give mommy the Benz and that thing then.
Hey. Yo, you live long in there because we are walking and we are asking. Which part in there? Look, you know where I'm coming from?
Far. Sell and I buy me some I go buy you now.
Yeah.
Before I store lock for God half a tree. But I'm glad for soon a day. Back again. You see it? You see Mara while up. Mara said. Yeah. Mara said, sis, you keep party and sis should come on the party, you know. Your host party. I'm here with Mara, you know.
Watch every day. Never miss a video.
Don't miss your day, man. Yeah, we give thanks to Sonoma. Kina, our place in a big place.
Yeah, man.
The activity at Jamaica.
Say it there,
All the things that man go on.
So we are walking, we are asking, which part of the man the way name I just said D.
Yeah, man, a Maro,
You know,
man, big.
and we are look.
Yeah, that's member big that
And they say he's not here. I'm like, no, I go look, and you will see how walk. Oh, down there.
Yeah. So, well, Kina,
yeah, walk
you
through.
man look. You man look at Tala. How long will it take to sit?
Yeah.
That's a Kina change. I be a people, man, because you
yeah.
people them must say, yo, we did that. We see how we did.
Yeah.
Because you know what thing, you know, we are superstars. So you know when you talk to superstar to a superstar.
A bigger star. A supernova star.
We are keen on love how you go on.
Yeah, man, cool, man.
Yeah, you're welcome to watch Trinidad. We see how they're feeling.
Yeah, man.
Cry for the Jamaican.
Cool, man.
You know the thing.
I know I need to go back.
Yeah. God, no, I'm going to give thanks to see you.
Nice to see you.
One time I'm in a year, you say, Kino, me say, I'm here, they are big up Kino. Funny thing. When you're there up so what there, I say, oh, I'm going to left one Kino and get ungrateful. No, that's how we Jamaicans say. You know, Kino. Yeah, with a star kit.
True, yeah, true.
Kino, well protect Kino.
Of course.
You never get that next Jamaica.
Yeah.
Kino will protect you.
True. Yeah.
Just man, Kino.
Yeah, man, big up, man, respect, man.
I know the way you Kino treat you.
Yeah.
I have to come back and I never expect to see you.
Yeah.
I want you to watch you. I say all of them time I see you Mario them and everybody don't see you for that. When you're up to what you say, when do you come back? You make the whole of Africa be about.
True.
Whole of Africa.
Marina. General.
You never know some African people love Jamaica.
Right, of course.
Just like how we love them.
Yeah.
We share around back the love, you see. That oneness, you know.
That is great.
Out of Africa, all of we coming up. You know, Mama Africa, you know.
Yeah.
I say, through it, black eye man, black eye me a be. Never for change my identity. I want man, This is why I say can't change.
Nah, change. Not
on the black day.
Only clothes alone will change.
Clothes and money.
Money.
Yeah. Change the check now.
Yes, change. Hey, rich.
Yeah. But now we have to buck up back and forward again.
Yeah, man, she's there now. She's here now.
Like on the day I know. You know my place. I want to show you my place. Come here.
Come. Yeah, man. Tomorrow, man. Big up. My friend is up playing football with. Yeah, but they are going to flag the town. Yeah, man.
And remember, you don't have to pay for feeling the pain.
I'm a general.
It's right over here, so
cool, man.
Yeah, man.
No, man, I'm black.
Click, neighbor knows and ears with. $1,000 gear any POC. So come and catch the feel. And remember, you don't have to pay for feeling the
Congrats, mom. Big up, congrats, mom, and congrats, dad. Big up, Mara. Big up yourself.
Sharon. She's afraid. How far I'm stalling? Biggs, you walk too fast. Yeah, you know why you walk so fast. Headquarters. I think a real stop shop. Oh, yes, on the spot. Yeah. Right across from the stylish. Right there. Yeah, I would also there right there, sir.
Come make up a video on the road. So I say, I'm glad to see you, man. You know, left on all
Nah, man, cool, man.
Yo, right now I grew up a country. I'm born a country, but it's original.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
Yo, I love the energy. We are doing that here, yeah.
And I don't sell myself in a kid because you know one thing now. You know we can't sit down and idle, and we can't depend on, you know?
Yeah, hands out.
Yeah, we don't do it things there. In the phone, spend that way the day. So I say, but we want to go to Paris still. But
when?
You can't come in Monday, man, you man, freestyle, man.
You have the number?
With the gate in a 4989233.
Voila.
Yeah, man.
So I want to make a part of the show, man.
And them never selling a deal, them type of thing, yeah. $1,000.
You know, you have 1,000 monuments.
Yeah.
Yeah, what I said.
Wait, say, what the number?
Yeah, 4989233.
9233.
Yeah, man, we'll go back one, man.
498.
4989233. Marcus, you know. Marcus Garvey.
Yeah.
Just do it. I won't leave a name me still in but a Marcus me a run it. Marcus Garvey. You see what I say? One well, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Congress, mommy. We want to see you in Jamaica.
Soon.
We love you so much. Mara, big up yourself, Mara. I hope you're watching. Mara, just me. We welcome to Jamaica. You know that. You know we will. Come, we are going to
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm God, man. That's how you walk there.
Yeah.
My voice big, you see all brand is something.
Yeah.
When you talk, then you my voice I
load. Load it, load. No, back in now, man, not the place, man. Back in that place, man.
So come and catch the sale. And remember, you don't have to pay for feeling the pain. It's right over here, so $1,000 give any piercing. $1,000 give any piercing. We have clit, neighbor nose and ears in. Clit, neighbor nose and ears in. $1,000 give any piercing. So come and catch the sale. And remember,
you're the piercing where? Something.
I love pierce.
I want to go and pierce. Now.
Go on. Top already. But the outside is like it was underworld just now. It's like we're underworld. Oh, we are down here.
And you have earring, you have anklet. Small one?
Yeah, man, one size they come.
One size?
One size fits all.
Yeah, so Jamaican thing. Color?
One size fits all.
Yeah, man, they support me. Our thing is our check. Them thing I was selling, all type of things.
Alright.
Yeah,
put that back, put that back. Well, I'm putting this back.
Never reach out now, but
see you again then.
No, man, you're good, man. You're good, man.
We'll see you again, okay?
Yeah, best I you know what
yeah, man. Cooler, man. You know the thing, go. Alright, so.
This way, going down.
Short me in a
yeah, man. Get the number, man.
The number. Short me.
Yeah.
I hope you
alright.
enjoying the downtown. It's
Come.
really busy. I miss it. And then I am back to show you the thing.
Ooh. So long you're still recording. And so long and the battery run hot as it. Better settings. So this is where you get all the buses.
Yeah, all the buses to go everywhere.
Yeah.
Let's pass there so that I can show them.
So this is where you get.
Alright guys, right now we're out of the market. We're now at the bus station. You can see the colors.
These gaps is where you get the buses then. So no buses here yet, as you can see. People's waiting for buses.
But soon come.
Soon. Sometimes it take a while. Because
I want to go to trench halfway tree again.
Yeah. So you have different section for different places.
Yeah.
So the roads them are different. Yes guys, so we're here, we're downtown. You know the thing go, they almost shop till the whole the town finish. When these buying, hey, my hand get heavy. Hey, she wanna shop the whole town.
Of course.
Finish the whole of downtown. Hey.
Can I get some bananas?
Banana.
Jelly kino. So tasty.
That banana?
Jelly.
Banana.
Jelly. I want it. Kino, jelly.
Where? I'm looking.
So jelly.
Where? Big up general.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out where.
Somewhere there we're gonna find.
Oh. Ching. King. Welcome general. You remember how man? A long time man. Yeah. That's Ching. He's a Jamaican artist, music artist. Yeah. We met one long time ago in England. Yeah. Ching.
In the middle of the road.
Yeah man. That's how it goes. You have to walk in the middle of the road.
Big buses in Jamaica. Look at that. Hey.
Him said nah, like you. Stay there, no easy downtown. You have to look.
Hard as well too.
Of course. Where are we gonna find jelly now?
I need to get some jelly.
Come. No, that's a black. Go through them. Where jelly? Yalas. Yeah. Where the jelly?
You can't take your own self, man.
General, so can I get some jelly? You want banana still? Eh?
Hey, let me get the jelly first.
One winning.
Well, on a Saturday, guys.
Yeah. Ready for the argument. Alright, Miss GoPro, half a tree.
Miss GoPro, half a tree.
I miss cooking.
Soon. Stay up here so it ends, you know. Let's not go that way. Come. Oh.
The beans, everything. Let me figure it out.
Half a tree, half a tree, half a tree, half a tree, half a tree. Half a tree, half a tree. Up, up, road, up, up. But half a tree. Crossroad, mine not do because we don't have insurance. Jelly, 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 jelly. What is jelly? No jelly? First time general. No jelly. So we don't have a jelly spot. Come, follow me, come. No, you don't really have jelly spot. Yeah.
There's no jelly here.
Because you know, oh, look, over there.
Finally.
I want to sell jelly. Are you? That's good.
Yeah, that's I'm so thirsty.
Say me two jelly, yeah? You want them to say you're the only person that sells jelly in town?
Not really.
So they walk and can't find no jelly.
No man, what I feel about someone.
Not breadfruit,
Jackfruit.
jackfruit.
For breadfruit. Guys, she gonna buy jackfruit.
Yeah.
Tell me something, you want jelly with me?
Water.
Them say don't watch the sizes.
I watch the size.
If you take the big one, it have less water.
I drink like a yardie.
Yeah, another one.
I have to drink like a yardie. I told him I drink like a yardie. He said, yeah.
Of course. Drink
Drinking like a yardie. Cheers, guys. Hey. Whew, I really missed this. I really needed this, honestly, guys. That is it.
one go.
Drinking like a yardie.
That meat. Good.
Come baby, bull beer.
Hear the man say, come baby, bull beer.
I'm telling you.
Get that every day.
At this time, hey.
Hey, walk through the park.
Nobody's telling you come baby.
How they call you in Kenya?
Nothing.
All in Jamaica you get them talks there, right?
Jamaica, baby.
When in Kenya, what them say?
Nothing.
Hey, look here. Hey, you. Hey, you. I'm calling you. Hey, look here. Look here.
Baby, baby, baby.
Empress.
Yes, baby.
An empress.
Yes, empress.
And everything.
Hey, no, the thing, girl.
You get the royal treatment.
When Sean will come here,
oh, Sean.
I go mash up the place.
Hey, the trouble.
I'm telling you.
Them don't know the thing, go.
They soon know.
They soon know.
Hey, this place looks nice. Let me finish up the vlog right here.
Yeah. Yes, guys, so we're here now. You know, downtown. It was a wonderful walk. As you can see, the place is busy. It's so busy. And guys, remember, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You know, hit that notification bell. And remember to check out Demo Ango's channel.
Yes, and also if you're watching from my side, subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica.
So either
more
side you're
videos
watching
coming.
from,
you know the thing.
you know the tingo, you know, and follow us on Instagram also.
Demo official and Kino
underscore life underscore in underscore Jamaica. You know, so go on, you know, blow it up. So go on and keep on follow us on each and every movement. And I'm gonna say it's part 2
of the
you know,
series.
of the series. So you know
Just
how
got started.
Just got started.
It's going to be more better than the first one.
Exactly. So only can get better, yeah. Good, better, best. You know, never let it rest.
That is it.
Until your good is better and your better is best.
Yeah.
Hey, so guys, remember, stay tuned. You know, that
more
is
videos
it coming
that
soon.
Is it, guys. That is it.
Can I say hi?
Come and say hello.
Can I say hi to you?
That is it. Go on then.
I thought you were back in Africa.
Come this side. Come
Yeah,
this side.
Oh
my God.
Perfect lighting. You thought I'm back in Africa?
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
Big up,
I'm
man.
glad you look after. I watch you guys every day.
Yeah.
All the time.
He's the best.
You are so inspirational to make me know that, you know, at least there's a hope. There's hope in life. There's hope.
That is it.
That is it. There's hope
is
in
life. True.
Just be positive. Keep doing what you are doing.
I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best.
Oh, that's for my car. I need something for my car.
You give
of
support
course,
me,
of course.
You build houses and all of these things.
Right.
You think I don't watch you, bro?
Alright, so
you think I don't watch you?
I have to support you.
You think I don't watch you?
Yeah, of course. I have to support you. How much you sell them for?
$50.
$50.
I'm not trying to rob nobody.
See there? Just give me 2 of them.
That is it. 2 of them?
Yeah.
And then you keep
I have the black eyes and I have the
the black one you like.
Cherry
and the black eyes.
Yeah, cherry and the black eyes.
Pull it down, yes.
Yeah.
And the black
I'm
eyes.
so happy, guys.
Oh my God, you guys are the best.
Thank
you so much, man.
Never give up.
You sure keep the change? I don't want.
Keep the change, man. Keep the change. Keep the change, man.
Yo, this is a dream come true for real. If I had at least I watch on YouTube.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna on YouTube.
So
you don't know.
It's all about positivity. Don't give up.
Don't give up. Keep trying no matter what. You go there, you go anywhere.
Yeah.
You do it. You be you. You be yourself.
All right.
And that's what that motivates me to do
That
what
is
I'm telling you. I'm telling you, D. You don't even understand. I know your brother. I know. I watch him make people get views. I know Kino when he just came to Jamaica, he just met Kino. He was in the freaking place and you guys link up. And I said, damn, perfect match. And you never leave her since that.
Never.
Have her back straight.
Never leave. And trust me now, it's not only you alone she inspire, she also inspire me too, you know.
Yeah, man.
And trust me, she inspire a lot of us, you know. So not only you, she inspire us, me I tell you, even me myself.
You know,
of course, man. I respect, man.
Adventure. More adventures.
Of course.
More adventures.
See, this is part 2.
I just came yesterday.
You
know.
You came back.
Right now, nobody knows the team that I'm in Jamaica.
Yeah, right now.
You're smart. You're smart.
But they still know the team. Now when they're watching right now, you now know the team.
Yeah, by the time them watching, they reach so far in the video now, them like, oh yeah, she in Jamaica, because she reached so far in the video.
Right. Thank you so much. God bless, okay?
Yeah, man.
Keep it up, no giving up. Same way.
Yeah, man. See you, my general.
God bless, okay?
Every time. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Cool. Yes, guys.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.